Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make perfect ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Allow the water to heat up a little. Keep the flame in medium till the end. When the water comes to a boil, add 1 tablespoon of tea powder. You can go with your preferred tea brand. Let this boil for 2 minutes. The essence of the tea powder is nicely getting extracted to the water. Tea powder is a very healthy ingredient. It boosts your immune system, fights off inflammation, prevents from cancer and heart disease. Then to this add 1 cup of boiled milk. Allow this to boil well. When they are nicely boiling like this, simmer the flame and add 1 piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes in low flame. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and very good for your heart. Ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. After 2 minutes, increase the flame to high and once they bubble up off the flame. To a mug like this, add required amount of sugar. I am going with a teaspoon of sugar. To this strain and add the tea. Give it a nice mix and a perfect ginger tea is ready. You can drink this in an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this perfect ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.